The early morning rescues over mountains of fire and through heavy plumes of black smoke became so perilous, at one point the mission was called off. But with their night vision, military teams found nearly 150 people trapped, loading them into choppers like they had done over the weekend.
It was pretty scary.
For 4 days, surrounded by walls of flames, there were no safe roads in. This was the only way out of the Sierra National Forest, through the air. Today in Fresno, dozens stepped off a Chinook helicopter, reaching safety for the first time.
Hey! We love you!
Families finally reunited.
I love you guys so much. A feeling of complete and total elation.
Lisa Ebright waited all night for this moment.
I'm super happy. I know I'm crying, but they're happy tears.
Feeding on drought conditions, the creek fire has become a blowtorch, incinerating everything in its path.
Go, 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 go.
This was the harrowing escape before the flames closed in.
Everybody was just praying, like, God, like, let us get out of here.
Tonight, the fire is exploding and now moving in multiple directions.
The conditions on the front lines here are intense. You can see crews trying to do everything they can not to save this home, but others nearby.
Across the West, crews stretch thin as fires blaze in several states. In Washington state, near hurricane-force winds are fueling flames, decimating one small town within minutes. Back in California, where there's a state of emergency, firefighters are already facing triple-digit heat, drought conditions, and are now bracing for powerful winds. The perfect recipe for disaster, and that's exactly what's unfolding today.
Some of the oldest mountain communities took the biggest hits. This is what's left of Big Creek, a neighborhood, a town that had stood here for generations. When some come back home, they may decide to never rebuild again.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.